So my friend, this is Amit as phase 1 is already completed now. So here I am with the marks versus expected branch, because marks you already know. Some changes will be there in marks in the moderated score they will provide you soon. So I will provide you the update regarding that. But here I am providing you all campus cutoff as they have increased some branches in some campus. So I will provide you the updated information what you can expect the this year cutoff for those new branches as well. And last year they introduced mathematics and computing. This year they have introduced electronics and computer in some campus MSc in nanoscience and semiconductor. So those things will help the student to get the better seat at lower score itself. So let's get started with the video. So here I will try to provide you BITSET Goa cutoff first. CSC 290 marks, EC 275 marks. I am providing the updated information because this year paper is tough, and also some number of branches has been added, so seat will increase. So it will have the effect on all the branches because some student will be consuming other branches that has been added this year, so the cutoff will decrease. And CSC, as I told you, 290, EC 275, Triple E 265, EIE 250. This is based on the phase 1. In phase 2, if there will be some changes in the pattern of the examination, there might be 5 or 10 marks change up and down depending on the difficulty of the paper. But as of now, this is the status. Mechanical 230, Chemical 210, MSc Mathematics 220, MSc Physics 219. This is for Goa campus. And MSc Chemistry 207, MSc Economics 235, MSc Bioscience 200 marks, MSc Semiconductor and Nanoscience that has been added, that is new. So some student will not choose this branch because they don't know about it, but it has a better future in the current scenario in the industry. So 210 marks. And mathematics and computing, you also know in IITs almost all IIT provide this branch, very good branch. 285. After CSC, most of the students use mathematics and computing. And thereafter there is another new branch, that is electronics and computer engineering, similar of electronics and communication. If you want computer science and you are not getting, then this will be better than EC for you. 270 marks. So this was about Goa campus. Now I will discuss for Pilani as well as the Hyderabad campus, and also I will provide you a separate video regarding the Dubai campus admission procedure. But here I am providing you BITSET exam is a bit different than JEE. That is, BITSET exam is totally different from JEE, so you have to prepare carefully. For that I am providing the complete dedicated test series, one-to-one mentorship for next phase, and also I will guide you completely for the counseling process. So kindly check the next section, so you will get the complete idea of my guidance. If you want paid guidance, you can contact me on the screen, number is available, but only if you want the paid guidance. Here I am going to inform you about the complete mentorship and guidance regarding BITSET examination. First I will guide you to get the best result in BITSET exam, and then I will guide you for the complete counseling process as well. And it is not only for BITSET but for all counseling across India. I will guide you, but in BITSET preparation, how I will help you is, first I will provide you the important chapter. I will analyze your potential, what you want to achieve in BITSET exam. Accordingly I will compile, and accordingly daily basis what you need to study, everything I will provide you, concept, question, and important test series. That is most important dedicated test series I have made based on the previous year paper and current year trend, so that you will get the exam idea. So kindly join my guidance so that you will get the best result. From last 6-7 years already I have guided 10 to 15,000 students who got the BITSET as well as other colleges across India. One, you will be connected to me all the time through my app, WhatsApp, direct call. Also you can ask me any number of times, there is no limit. So once you register, you will get all the benefit with me. So now BITS Pilani cutoff. CSC 320, EC 290, Triple E 275, EIE 260, Mechanical 240, Chemical 220, B Pharma 150, Civil 215, Mathematics and Computing 305, MSc Mathematics 230, Physics 227, Chemistry 211, Economics, that is MSc Economics, most demandable branch in MSc 248, MSc Bio 206, Manufacturing 213, and Semiconductor and Nanoscience in Mathematics in MSc 220 marks is required. So this was about Pilani campus. Now I will discuss about Hyderabad campus. So here is the information. As you are waiting for phase 2, before that itself they will start the choice filling and registration for the counseling process. So as soon as you will contact me, I will discuss all the possibility for you, whether you should join BITSET with lower branch or CS branch, whatever you are getting, or you should go for IIT if you are getting lower IIT or NIT or VIT, Manipal, COMED, K, Triple E. Lots of options are available across India. So I will guide you personally. If you want, you can contact me so that I will be guiding you until your final admission is done to provide you the best branch and college. So hope you get my point. Hyderabad CSE 280, EC 270, Triple E 260, IE 255, Mechanical 225, Chemical 205, Civil 203, MSc Mathematics 215, Physics 213, Chemistry 205, Economics 232, Bio 195, and Mathematics and Computing 280, B Pharma 140, and MSc in Semiconductor and Nanoscience is 205. So this was about the complete information for all three campus of BITS, that is BITSA 2025 marks versus all branch. Soon I will provide you information about the Dubai campus also, and kindly subscribe the channel so that you will not miss anything and you will get complete information about each and every counseling and exam across India on the same channel. Thank you.